morning, hello, I'm Professor Code. This is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for Saturday the 11th of March 2023. Yesterday we had no racing, so that was for Friday the 10th. So the account static at plus 73.10 units. It's been there a while. It's near a peak for us. So today we've got a race at Chelmsford on the all-weather at 6 o'clock. It's a novice stakes band C and D, class 4, 3-year-old. 10 furlong model 94. Now model 94, 10 furlongs on the all-weather Chelmsford. It's one of the quicker ones, so you're looking for a speed horse. Basically the race is sort of carves up. There's 9 runners, there's 3 FTOs, 3 first time outers, and the one we like is this number 4 Super Mo, which we'll talk about that now. Basically the problem with it is it's at or near the favourite. The over-round's about 107.8% at the moment on Betfair. We've done an initial bet of £1 per £8 unit, so that's £100 for us at 2.1 to 1. If it drifts, I mean, the over-round's got to come back. It depends how the market lengthens to accommodate this. Are they going to go for an FTO first time outer, or are they going to shorten up Super Mo? Now, what do we like about Super Mo? Well, it's had 4 runs. It's had 3 obviously to get its mark. Started off at Kempton K7. It's a novice model 96, which is just a bit quicker than where we are. Where are we? Model 96. So the winner was rated 94. And if you watch that race, as I say, we know a fair bit about looking at horses, and that definitely looks like a 10 furlong horse to us. So it's got 10 furlongs written all over it at speed. The next race it went to was K8, Kempton 8 furlongs, novice again, mod 95, pretty much a fair match. And the thing about that race is the second won the Royal Lodge, and it's got an official rating of 114, and that's an 8 furlong Newmarket Group 2 race. So that was pretty promising. And the third race to get its mark, they pushed it up to 1.5 miles at Kempton, slow surface, model 92. It was pretty gamed. It was slowly away. It ran wide. And then it was bang on there at the 10 furlong mark and then faded. So the official handicapper gave it a mark of 75, and subsequently it's been out at Wolverhampton 9.5, extended 9.5, 10 call it. That's slower, model 92, basically it's been dropped to £2 for that. It's got an official rating of 73. So what do we like about that horse then? Well, as I say, it's got a stamp of a 10 furlong horse. Its profile is slightly disguising that. It's been up against some decent horses and performed pretty well. What's the problem from a betting perspective is that, as I say, you've got 3 FTOs and the over round is quite high at the moment. And it's sort of been talked up a little bit in the press. First time blinkers as well. And 2.1 to 1. We've got say it's an 1/8 of a unit at the moment. We'll if it drifts, we'll top it up to a maximum of the same again. So we'll end up with £200 on at 0.25 of a unit. So that's where we are there. So it's number 4 Super Mo. With those reservations. So Forex yesterday, non-farm payrolls, superficially it came in strong, but then the market started selling off the dollar due to the secondary parts of the data coming out being weak, and there's also a problem with the banks in America. They've had to bail out Silicon Valley Bank, which basically was over leveraged with bonds. So as the interest rates started rising, the perception of higher interest rates, this depressed the bond price because the yields go the opposite way to the price. So the bank's assets were falling in price, and then they had a reserve assets issue because they have to keep a certain amount of assets to liabilities. So and that's and the end result was that people in the know started withdrawing their cash, and there was a bit of a minor run on the bank, and slight contagion into other banks as well. So Monday they're all going to be very twitchy. They've done the usual. They've bailed them out through their incompetence and greed, and we'll see what happens on Monday. But we didn't trade yesterday because various reasons. But we don't really like trading non-farm payroll day, precisely because of all these issues and the volatility. So that's where we are. So anyway, just to recap, we've got a decent horse there, but with caveats on the odds and the FTOs, and we'll see if it drifts. So that's 6 o'clock at Chelmsford on the all-weather tonight, number 4 Supermodel. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.